baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
But actually it's an opportunity to company to get you.
Yeah.
They will need people. Okay, say no, I have to raise my kids.
Well, for this side, the one that arrived just with the bus outside, the second bus.
Decades to switch from fossil energy towards a future powered by renewable electricity. The iron and steel industry accounts for a quarter of global industrial emissions today. So we are part of the problem. But tomorrow, we will be part of the solution. And our journey towards an emission-free future begins here at a depth of 1,000 meters in the mines of Malmfälten, the ore fields of northern Sweden.
Investigate production areas. The dog has a drone on its back that can film and scan what the mountains look like. Just a help for the human.
Pictures allowed, right? The miners' room used to be like this, a dormitory, and then some plates and dishes. Yeah. This is the train.
And I heard that it was either Kiruna's new center is the yellow one market area over there, and it has been removed about 3 kilometers.
Thor.
Get the right amount.
You got it?
I got one.
Nice.
But it melts so soon. I'm trying to look at the design.
Yeah. It's because it's not that cold right now when your hands are really warm. So, yeah, it is. But just
All of this will be moved, right? All of this.
No, this will be torn down.
Yeah.
But this small house will be moved, and also the church.
Yeah.
But the high house will
Church,
be.
yeah.
So it's the other one.
This is the church and somewhere like
The
this.
church and a bell tower.
Yeah, and this is where they have all dug in, and that's why this is sliding.
All the what?
This is where they have all dug in, and that's why it is sliding.
They're building on the ground so it collapses.
Yeah.
Here.
Here to the right, you can also see there has been some roads some times ago, because the pit is getting a little bit longer also, not only wider, so they have to move the road a little bit time now and then.
Refraction, and then how wide do you see?
We visited this company, mining company, today, and half day we did that, and rest of the half day we went back to the university. This is how slippery it can get. And then yeah, after that we were just studying about how snowflakes are formed, and more chemistry about that. Yeah, that's it. So the first part was very interesting, where we visited this company. I'll put the name here, I don't remember, LMK something, I don't want to spell it wrong. That's where we had, and it was amazing to see. We were 540 meters underground, measuring right from the top of the hill to beneath it. And it's amazing to see. That was a production area some time ago in 1960s or 80s, and now they have stopped production there and they have went further down. So we were on top of the actually people where they were working. We explored all of how the life was there, what are the equipments they used to work with, and a lot of other stuff. So I'll add the videos and the images there so you can have a look. Indeed.
This thing is designed that an aircraft can fly in.
So we did go on.
But why?
Don't stop. It's the last day, so we are going to the Luleå University again and then spend some half day, and after that, ice hotel. It's last. Honestly, I'm missing Toulouse. I'm missing my friends, Rahul. Toulouse, especially. 1 week is too long. At least for me. I don't know. Maybe it's the homesickness that's talking, but I want to go home. What is so amazing? Oh, careful, careful, careful. I have a laptop. Okay, I'm gonna go. Yeah. Thank you. All clear. This is all real reindeer, right? Is it?
It could be. I don't know.
It's what it says. It's 0 degree, but it's good. It's manageable. It's not scary at all. It's not too cold. It's good. Room has some sort of design, and then what? Alex, Alex,
The yellow part.
Alex, what is your reasoning about that?
Wait, why is it yellow?
What do you think? Where do you think it's gonna be used?
On the ice to make it colder.
Why is it
Big rhino coming out of snow. Talking about what I'm wearing right now, well, I'm just on my jeans and there's a Decathlon thermal and the top and just inner wears. And then this. That's it, guys. So it's just 0 degrees, a little below that. It's manageable. It's not cold. I think I wasted my lot of money on hot clothes. So just in case, if you're planning to come here, it's not really that serious. But it's always good to be over-prepared than under-prepared, especially when you're going to a colder place or extreme hot places.
Oh, they can see that.
So I'm gonna slide. Yeah!
Wait, with your camera.
Yeah!
Are you gonna have a picture?
I fell down. Yeah, I'll take. Yeah, push me. Yeah! I was too late for that. Wait, hold on. Yeah.
Wait. Oh, you can't get it.
There, please.
Wait.
I'm so sorry.
I'm always there to.
Thank you to give hand to me. Wish I could get my mom to these places someday. She doesn't really come. She has fear of flights. Guys, comment down if she should be coming along with me and I will show it to her. So my friend here doesn't support us exiting from fire orbit. Everybody is doing. Why is that?
Earlier in my life, I have learned by my parents and the school that you should not exit through a fire exit door, since those are specifically for fire.
Yeah.
In case of fire.
So I think something that we should learn from her. Me, especially. This is where I used to work as an assistant marketing manager when I was in India. SKF, guys. So all these years I used to look up the companies, the addresses of this company in France, Netherlands, what sort of any other country. If I ever heard anybody talking about different country, I used to look up. But it happened so that I knew the company's headquarters is in Sweden, but I never really looked up SKF's address. And I was on this workshop this week from my school, which was sponsored by them and one of the associations I work with. It happened so that this is my last day. When we shifted our room here to the city center somewhere, I am just living behind it. I mean, this is the company which I looked up to for like 2 years, more than that. I really loved working here, and I miss working for this company. So I'm so happy today. I'm in Kiruna, Sweden, and I hope I'll get a chance to work with this company very soon, maybe sometime in the future. I just can't express how happy I am right now. SKF, guys. Finally, the snow angel. Did I make it? Did I make it? I did. Oh, this is beautiful. You wanna make one? Finally, I think our excursion came to an end, and we are going to be heading home tomorrow. We have a flight at 2 o'clock. It was great altogether. This was the first time this was the first time I saw snow, and it was fun. It had its ups and downs, but I'd like to carry this memory as a souvenir and explore more places. What do you think, guys? Alright, so this is it. See you in another video. Until then, bye. From my bathroom. It was amazing. Bye, Kiruna.